When it comes to Amish cooking, there's no question that the Amish know what they're doing in the kitchen. Whether it's making shoe fly pie or scrapple, Dutch cabbage rolls or slippery pot pie, Amish cooking means hearty, wholesome, and made the old-fashioned way. Today, we're making an Amish-inspired casserole, except we're using a few off-the-shelf shortcuts that will make it weeknight easy. We start by browning a good amount of ground beef, along with a chopped onion and a bit of minced garlic. While that finishes up, we drain some cooked egg noodles and set them aside. Now that our beef is done, we add it to the same pot we cooked our pasta in, along with our drained noodles. To give this dish its creaminess, we toss in cream of mushroom soup, some milk, a splash of Worcestershire sauce, tomato soup, and a few spices. After it's all mixed, we'll spoon it into a baking dish and into the oven it goes until it's heated through and the top is all crispy. There you have it, a dish that's simple to make, full of flavor, and is sure to bring your family around the table. To get the recipe for our Amish Country Casserole, all you have to do is visit our website. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found an Amish-inspired way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.